Hi everybody. Is that my neighbors making noise the second I start filming? Hi everyone, my name is Deandra Black. Welcome back to another video. This video is very special. It is special because I feel like I am at the point now where I'm ready to make this announcement to you guys, put it out there in the public so that, you know, everyone else knows about what's going on other than me and my brain. And also to partly hold myself accountable, because if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna have to do it, especially if I put it out there. But it's officially in motion. I am a new small business owner. So just a little bit of background, if you have been following me for a while, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube, you know that I make a lot of content. First of all, I'm a content creator around hair, makeup, body care, tutorials, trends, unboxing, reviews. I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of content creation. My love for all of this runs pretty deep, so I just wanted to take it a step further. You know, I've been a part of New Jersey Transit every like 15 minutes. That Manhattan route. It's very busy. I've been a part of teams and projects, even had to walk away from some projects at a point in time where I just felt like I was giving a lot of myself to other people and helping them build their goals and their dreams and their aspirations, career, to become successful entrepreneurs and to have successful businesses. I don't regret any of that because it has given me a lot of knowledge. I've learned a lot. Now it's time for me to take the reins, you know what I'm saying? Like, the time is now. The thing that has held me back the most was my own brain, right? My fear of failure is ridiculous, and I know a lot of people can relate to me. If you're scared to do something, you're scared to fail, you'll just not do it, kind of, which is sad. There's a lot of talent out here, and a lot of us are just too scared to just go for it, but I'm removing myself from that category of people, and I am going to the category of people that know what the hell they want and they're gonna go after it, okay? My time is now. I am claiming it. I am taking up space and creating space for myself, and hopefully for you all as well. So to tell you a little bit about my business, my small business, what is it? The name is BLK Label Society. So what do I do? Who are we? So BLK Label Society is going to be a handcrafted, probably at the beginning, small batch business where I create hair treatments and skin treatments, prioritizing people with melanated skin, people with Afro-textured hair. Now, the reason why I want to narrow down to those specific attributes is because that's where I see the void in the market. When I look at other brands, I don't see what I'm doing. There are no products that are really specifically targeted, that are handmade too, for melanated skin and Afro-textured hair. What I'm seeing is a lack of authenticity, a lack of intentionality. A lot of the times with these brands, right, people who are melanated and Afro-textured, black people, people from the African diaspora, we are an afterthought. We are tokenized. We are that one black person in the picture, in the group. I feel like a lot of what I've seen these big brands do is tokenize us and have the most conventional version of a black person that they could possibly imagine. It just has to be palpable for them, conceivable for them, comfortable for them. Enough. What I want to do is foster a community of people who are proud and want to share how proud they are to be in the skin that they are in, because it is so important. Representation is so important. So I'm just not here for it, and it pisses me off. So I am refocusing that energy to something that's positive and actually make a difference, because I actually want to make a difference. I want to make an impact, and I want to fix the things that I complain about all the time. I'm just sitting here and thinking, like, how could I explain how I'm feeling? Maybe there's someone else that could relate to this. You know the feeling as a black woman, right? or a black man, or a person of color. That's a broad stroke term, but I'm speaking about black people, people of the African diaspora, right? Does anyone else get that eerie, I don't want to say too many negative adjectives here, but that eerie feeling when they walk into a beauty supply store and you see, I mean, it could be any type of Asian, but you know, an Asian person owning the business, stocking the counters, giving advice on what type of edge control to use. It also hit me that there needs to be more companies out there that represent our community. When I was working for this brand, doing content for this brand, assuming that they're a black owned business, I walk into their headquarters and 98% of the people in the building were Korean. I can remember, this is what burned me. I could remember at one point I was trying to film content in the headquarters. I was told to not film the employees of the office because they don't want it out in the public that they're not a black owned business. That hurt my heart. We don't own a majority of the market, and that is a problem. And it goes beyond our control because systemically, we've been denied. We've been in this country longer than other cultures, and we sit here and we see gain access. We need to be in this for us. We need to start cultivating more. The market is so big. We are the global majority, by the way. The people behind the scenes are so disconnected from the people that they're serving, and they're only connected to the people that they're serving during the 9 to 5. After the 9 to 5, they clock out and they no longer care about us. Straight like that. I say that to say that there is a lot of work for us to do within our own culture and giving back to our own people and building community. That is what's important, and loving ourselves, because the psychological impact of not loving yourself or not being proud of how you show up in the world and how you represent, it needs healing, you know? So that's all I'm gonna say on that. I know someone must be wondering, because I did mention it before, that there are factual differences, whether we want to acknowledge it or not, that we do need different products than other people. Have you noticed in the CVS, Target, I almost said Target, CVS, Target, Walgreens, we got our own little section corner in the back. Not Target. Target is great. Target represents, but we know the feeling of what it's like to not be included, right? Or to be an afterthought. I'm trying to combat that at my own capacity. Little old me, I'm trying to do what I can.
I'll do the best I can with what I got. Oh!
So some of those differences, specifically when we're talking about skin, people of color have less ceramides in our skin than Caucasian people. Because we have less ceramides in our skin tends to look more dry and more dull. I know we've heard, hopefully we've heard of the term. Another thing I want to do is educate people. I love this shit. Transepidermal water loss. The moisture on our skin is evaporating and leaving behind dry skin. What I am in the process of doing right now, I'm in the product development phase of my business. Provide products that have ceramides in them that are humectant rich to draw in that moisture and create the perfect environment on our skin so that our skin could thrive and flourish and glow the way that it naturally does. Another factual difference about black skin, brown skin, and Caucasian skin is the fact that our melanocytes, so now melanocytes are the cells that hold pigmentation. Those melanocyte cells are larger, and because they're larger, they're more likely to be irritated. Irritation is another word for inflammation, right? It's kind of synonymous. So I also want to create products that are specific for hyperpigmentation, transepidermal water loss, like I said, enriching the skin with ceramides, occlusives, humectants. I'm so excited about this, guys. Like, we gotta pull up. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to pull up for us. I have to do something. I don't know. I'm just thinking like, you gotta think big, bitch. Like, I just gotta think big. I gotta start small, but I gotta think big, okay? So I would love for this to, on a grand scale, I would love for my products and my offerings, whether it be education, showing you guys application. I have so many ideas. I don't want to give everything out right now, but I have to start at my own capacity right now, which is just small batch handmade stuff, right? So I gotta start somewhere, and I'm starting now. It's official. BLK Label Society, LLC. Is officially a company. I look forward to launching by the end of this year. Hopefully. It's a lot of work. Sorry. My memory card got full, which I knew was gonna happen. Like I was saying, I'm gonna wrap this up because I talk a lot. You see my notes up there for my business. I'm just enjoying being, where's the camera? Right here. I am just enjoying the learning phase of it all. It's one thing to make products for yourself and for your family and friends, and then it's another thing to be a formulator. It's two different levels. Like, cosmetic grade ingredients is incomparable to DIYs, not even in the same class. Yeah, I'm just excited to share the journey of the launch. I plan on recording and sharing what I can. One, to this channel, we'll have the longer videos, but TikTok, follow me on TikTok, guys. I will be posting a lot of the behind the scenes of what it takes to launch a successful business. Not only have a successful business, but successfully foster an authentic community with intentionality. That's everything that I've seen missing, specific for us being prioritized and not an afterthought. They are now the afterthought. And that's okay. There is enough space for us to exist. And that's what I'm doing. I am taking space for us. So if you guys stuck to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for rocking with me. Let me know if you guys have any questions or what you're excited about. I just spilled my whole life to you guys, pretty much my current life, what's been occupying most of my time. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'm gonna go get some sleep because I am so tired from being up all night making edge control. Bye.